Yo fam, what's up, what's good? It's your boy DJ Pakilo here, back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you some fire heat. I'm going to show you how to create your own baseline, as you can see by the video title. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to create your baseline. But before we get started with that, I just want to say thank you so much guys for supporting my YouTube channel, for subscribing and liking my videos. And yeah, your boy, I appreciate it very much. You guys don't know what it means to me. It just shows that you guys wants to learn and wants to know more about Gqom. So yeah, I appreciate you guys supporting me. And what I also want is for you guys to do is when I drop a video, please leave a comment. Maybe like leave a comment on how this video helped you or anything like that. And yeah, and that's one. And leave a comment on request guys, because I don't know what I'm going to do, because I already did what I want to do, but now I want to do your requests, as if you know what I mean. So this video here is a request as well for the baseline part. So yeah, let's get started now. This project is not going to be a free project because it's going to go on an EP. And yeah, but I will play it for you guys. The EP is going to be with DJ Vigi. If you don't know him yet, go search him on YouTube. He's a DJ. He makes mixtapes on YouTube. Just go search for DJ Vigi. I will put his channel name somewhere. So yeah, go search for him and go subscribe to his channel as well. But I will just play for you guys this what I have here now, and then I will play the bass line. But we're going to make a new bass line just for example purposes. So this is the track. This is how it sounds. So yeah guys, that is how this project or the song is going to sound like. So yeah, let's get started with a new bassline. So I will copy that, and then I will go to a new pattern 3, and then I will put this down here and do something like that. So yeah, now what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to listen, and then I will put in the bass line as well. So this is how it's going to be like. So as I'm listening, I'm thinking of a bass line, and then I'm humming it out with my mouth. So what I have now is something like this: dum 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 dum, dum dum, dum 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 dum, dum dum dum, something like that, man. No, I already have that in my head. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add it into the piano roll here. So that is my bass line. What I just did now is it comes with experience. So the more you produce, the more experience you come with your bass line and what you want to do for your bass line. So yeah, that's all I can say for you guys. I don't actually know how people like. You can do it with your keyboard as well, with your notes here as well. That will also be a great beginning or a starting point for you guys to do it. If you have a piano, like a piano, and then you can place it in with your piano keys, and then you just record it with your record it. Yeah, you just record it. But if you have that, then that is also a good way to do your pianos. But for me, I do it with the humming. I think of it first, and then I do it with the humming, and then I implement it into the piano roll. But that's what I do. A lot of people, they have different ways of implementing the bass lines, but that is just my preference of doing it. So, like I said, it's going to go like dum 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 dum. I don't know how it goes anymore, but it's going to go something like that. So let's do it. No, man, that's the wrong one now, because that one is the same as the first one. So let's listen again, and then let's come up with a new bass line. Now for the, I know it's just like the baseline, but I'm going to make a new baseline. Let's do a new baseline, guys. Let's do like three different baselines. But what I wanted to say now, I know it's like a baseline video, but I just wanted to show you guys like if I do this, let me play this. Let me just turn it back on and then play it again. Let me turn it a little bit softer. What I wanted to say is after I do this, like after I have my baseline constructed, what I like to do is I like to put in the piccolo sound and then work from there, because after I do the piccolo sound, I know what I'm going to do for the other sounds that most of that is commonly used by other producers. So yeah, so now I like to put in a piccolo, but I'm not going to do that now because I'm going to make a new baseline. And I just learned this now, guys. So I like to do about three or four basslines, three or four different type of basslines for one project. So this year is one project, but I like to do three or four basslines, and that I just learned that as of a short while ago, when I came back from after the exams. I just learned that, and then because one baseline isn't enough to give you some to let you know which one is the best, because you have a lot of ideas for one project, so that's why I like to make enough baselines. Even if I'm just going to use the one, I don't care, because I can, if I use the one, I can put these projects in a folder and send it to you guys, give it to you guys to use. You know what I mean? So let's do it again. Let's listen and do it again. Let's do something crazy. I think I must start here now. yeah, guys, that's and this one I didn't even think about. I just placed it in. So yeah, that's but that's what I have for you guys. That's what I did. Like three different baselines. There's no any different way. There's a lot of different ways that you can implement your baseline, but it's just up to you and how you want to implement your baseline in your track. But yeah, this is the three common ways that I like to use it. One, I like to think of it, hum it out, and then put it into the like the piano roll. And two, for the long bass lines, for bass lines like these, I usually just think about it, and then I do it. I implement it as the same way as hamming it out. And then for this one, I didn't even think about. I just pasted it in, as you can see there. So that is three common ways that I like to do. I like to do my bass lines. I think I will give those two bass lines to you guys, but without, so it will look like this, and just only the bass lines will be there. And I will give those two bass lines to you guys so that you guys can use it and do whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, that's what I have for you guys. So yeah, guys. Hopefully this video was very helpful to you guys, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace. I'm DJ Pakilo and I'm out. Peace.